something in the price action. So guys, that was Brian coughing in the camera, by the way, for those of you on YouTube. Yeah, I'm recording this one. I had two trades on Pines and LK. I came a little bit late, honestly, to the I came a little bit late to the chat room, so I just didn't have a proper watch list. But I quickly copied what Eamon was watching and Brian, because they posted there. So I'm long LK at 49.74 for opening range breakup. So Brian just jumped in right at the open, 49.38. He wanted to get 50. It did go up. This pullback on 1 minute chart was amazing. And you know what? I'm actually recording this over the weekend because DAS Pro now has a replay feature. And I'm actually recording that. So that one was a really great entry for a pullback. So I just, Brian got out completely. So that's why I didn't like the fact that, because Brian, I didn't want to just jump in when Brian is bailing on it. But I got in after it went for a break of high of the day, did a small pullback. I knew I'm going to chase it, and that's a trade management that I want to discuss. I know I was going to chase it, and so I went a small size. It did a pullback. On the way back up, when the volume started coming in, I added another 2,000 shares on that, and then that was the moment that started popping up at 49.60. My average was at the 49.74 the average, and as you see, popped through all the way up to get about 50.60. So that was a very, very decent trade. The tricky part that I wanted to discuss was I didn't go full size in there, because now my risk, so the target was 50, the risk to reward wasn't really great. But after this pullback, when the movement started coming in and we were going toward the 5 minute opening range breakup, I added more. So it's very important not to jump in. If you want to go into a trade, don't jump in with the big position that you have, and you know, always give room to add into that. The second trade was Pines, and 1 minute open range breakdown. So as soon as I saw that Pines dropping with heavy volume, so again, it was like a poker game for everyone at the first minute. Nobody traded, there was no order, and as soon as the volume came in, I just jump in at 23.84, drop all the way up to this 23.64. It did come back. I had a little bit of shares left, so came down. I had a little bit of shares left, so that's the only short that I have. 1 minute open range breakdown. But what happened was, after this big drop, I told everyone that is again a short trade. So it come down, it came pull back. That was a perfect entry to just dump a couple of thousand shares on it as a short. And as you see it from 23.70, let's say you get it at 23.70, you got this dump to 23.40. So it's a really great risk to reward as a trader. So again, you could put your risk here and the reward over there. Again, I try to, with the DAS replay feature is working, I'm gonna record both of these trades and what I did actually in the DAS replay mode, so we can actually see the price action, because this is a dead chart. Looking at the past, everything is just easy. You can see everything is working when you look at the past, but you really need to see the price action in real time to make those decisions. And again, something that to remember, that the pins stock was gapping up 3.2%. So you didn't have, when you're going short, you have a headwind. So it's just the daily chart is against you. So you have to be really mindful of that fact, that you have to be really careful. All right, so LK is dropping. So I'm gonna cover all of my shorts. Sorry, I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna sell all of my position at the almost break-even point. So I don't want to be in there. Yeah, so that's a big drop. If anything, it could be a really good short now, because it's really losing it. And that turned out to be a decent risk to reward trade for me. And now stock can be actually a potential good short. If anyone wants to go short, that is the time to go short right now. All right, guys, thank you so much. So because that's a lot of people who were long like me, and now they were getting stopped out, I think that is a really, really great short. I mean, who knows? Maybe we can actually get some short out of that. But overall, see how it does, guys. All right, have a good day, and talk to you soon, guys.